Hey everybody, Reich Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the wiper blades on the front and the back of this 2016 Ford Edge. Now, I will tell you this, that the 2015 to the 2023 models all have the exact same size wiper blades. I got these online. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like to check it out. All right, let's get down to it here. All right, so what you're gonna do to take this off is just push in these two little tabs here. There's one on each side. You're gonna push them in and slide them up and forward just a little bit. And what happens is you've got this little notch here and this little thing that sticks out, and that's what it slides on. So you're just pushing it forward and lifting it out of that. Now I'm gonna zoom out so you can see it from a little bit further away. All right, then we're gonna grab the new one here and we're gonna do just the opposite. So you got this kind of notch up here, this little square hole, and you got this little thing that sticks out. You're gonna stick that over top of it first. You're gonna push in these tabs here, and then they just kind of pop and lock in, just like that. So that's one done. Then you want to make sure that you take this yellow little protection strip off, and that one's done. Then you go to the other side and you do the exact same thing. And both of them are finished. Now we're gonna move on to the back. So the old blade that I already took off, sorry, I couldn't show you taking it off because as I was doing it, it was so brittle and old that it broke. So what I did is I snapped on the new blade just to kind of show you where it is. Sorry, my hands are really dirty as well from the old blade. But literally all it does is it pops straight down like that. So there's a single notch in it like this right here. And basically you want this curved part to be towards this side because the arm is curving down like this. So the higher part is on that side a little bit, lower part is on that side, and you just line it up underneath with the notch that it goes into. And it's hard to see here, but you can kind of feel it. And then literally all you do is just snap it in, and that's it. Then you take off the cover, and it's done. All right, so there you have it. 2 wiper blades in the front, 1 wiper blade in the back. Pretty easy stuff to do. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments that I helped you out. I really appreciate it. Also consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.